Alrighty, everybody, welcome back. We are going to be talking about our second day of adding radicals. So remember, whenever you want to try to add radicals, it's a pretty basic process, assuming you already have like radicals. Now, these two both have like radicals because they both have a 6, so I'm going to be able to combine these two terms together. Now, this one has a 3, so this one is not going to be able to be combined with the other two. So if I have 3 square roots of 6 and I take away 2 square roots of 6, that's going to leave me with 1 square root of 6. Now this, we don't forget about it. It has to drop down, but we are not able to combine. Don't combine because of the fact these two do not have like radicals. If they don't have the same square root and the same square root, this is as good as we can get, meaning this is our final answer. Not bad when you have like radicals. Let's look at another one. How about, let's look all the way up here at number 2. This one, this is a like radical. Oh my gosh, they're all like radicals, which means we're going to be able to put all 3 into 1. So right out front, if you don't see a number, you're always allowed to put a 1. So if I have -1, let me grab a calculator here. I want to make sure I get this right. If I have -1, take away 2, plus 2, that's going to give me -1 square roots of 3, which would be my final answer. Notice how I did not change the square root of 3 part. We don't need to mess with that part because they already have like radicals, so why would we want to change it, you know? Let's do another problem where we don't have like radicals right away. How about like number 5 here? Now, if you don't have like radicals right away, your job is going to be to make like radicals. Here's how you would do it. You want to come over here. You want to break this down. You want to say 2 square roots of 8 is going to turn into 4 and 2, which is 2 and 2. Now, we didn't touch the first one, so the first one is just going to simply drop on down. We got -2 square roots of 2. Now, when I rewrite this second one, our ending values were 2, 2, 2. So I'm going to have 2 square roots of 2, 2, 2. Okay, so come on over. 2 for 1 it. We're going to pull a 2 out. These two get canceled. 2 times 2 is 4 square roots of 2. Your addition sign all the way up here at the beginning just drops on down into place. So if I have -2 square roots of 2 plus 4 square roots of 2, now we have like radicals. So let's add those together. -2 plus 4 is a +2. And then since we had 2 and 2, that's what stays inside of our square root. Nice job, guys. Let's do another problem. I would do this one for you, but that one's just so darn easy, right? They already have like radicals. I want to save that one for you. How about, let's see what the next page has in store. Oh yeah, now we cruising. We cruising over here, kids. Look at this. Look at this. If we have this problem, right? 45. We know that that's going to break down into 9 and 5. Terrific. 9 breaks down into 3 and 3. Now, the 2 square roots of 5 over here, that one's not going to change because 5 doesn't get any smaller. So we got 2 square roots of 5. Hold on, I write that so we can see it. Plus, now this one is going to transform into 2 square roots of 3, 3, 5. 3, 3, 5. There it is. Let's 2 for 1 this. So if I pull out 2 2s, or I'm sorry, 2 3s, I'm going to have 3 times 2, which gives us a 6 square roots of 5. Now, if you got 2 square roots of 5, you want to add 6 square roots of 5, you're going to have a whopping 8 square root of 5. Just like that, kids. I know you know how to do this. We've already talked about it. We've already spent an extensive amount of time. Here's another one, though. Let's just do another one. If I have square root of 8, square root of 8, -3 square roots of 8 plus 3 square roots of 8, well, these are already like radicals. Sometimes you get good problems like that where they already are. So you just keep that. Now, -3 plus 3 is going to give us 0, which would make this your final answer. Nice job. Remember, if you don't have like radicals, your job is going to be to simplify everything first and then see if you get like radicals at the end. When you are adding radicals together, it's always important to remember The like radical part never changes. That's always going to show up right here. Instead, all you really need to add would be the outside numbers. This is for any adding or subtracting problem is how we do that, okay? Thank you guys so much for watching this video. I appreciate it. If you have any questions about this process, make sure you're reaching out and you're asking. Remember, your work today is to finish up this worksheet. If you are struggling, you got to make sure you let me know. Thanks, guys. Have a great day.